Hello everyone, Nature here. I'm back with another little Nehab update and just general kind of life channel content update. So I haven't been doing as good as I was originally wanting to with like my meal prep and the fasting this week because I've had a buddy in town, and so I've just been kind of hanging out with him and taking it easy. And the main thing I kind of wanted to talk about in this episode, this update, is just kind of changing my mindset and my time scale by which I kind of think about my own physical well-being. You know, like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I was trying to get in shape and I was trying to diet, and a buddy came into town, and I knew that we were going to be hanging out and having a few drinks every night, and maybe like grabbing some like fast food or something. I would have fought with myself the whole time and really been in a negative state about trying to avoid that kind of temptation. Whereas this time I would just told myself like, all right, he's gonna come into town. We're gonna drink a couple nights this week. We're gonna eat some trash food. We're gonna hang out with one of our best friends and just relax. And kind of gave myself the permission to just say, all right, for this one little period, we're just gonna not we're gonna fall off the wagon, but like it's gonna be a controlled fall. So he is heading back tomorrow. He just left my house today, and I might see him for breakfast tomorrow if he has time for it, but if not, then that's it. And I'm back on to my meal prep. I have a whole other round of meal prep just sitting in the fridge. I don't know why I'm pointing like this. My refrigerator isn't in my room with me. But yeah, so back on the diet. I've still been slowly and steadily going down in my weight loss. But man, let me tell you, after going for several days, over a couple of weeks, without any McDonald's, and then like eating a Big Mac meal, I woke up kind of like wrecked today. I woke up with my stomach and my, don't need to go into too much detail, but it was a bad, strange time this morning after eating double quarter pounder with cheese and a large fry in the first time in a long time. That and drinking, man. I've been drinking so much less, and this is the first time I've drank. I wanted to say 2 separate times this week. I've had like a couple of beers, and it's just like, man, I used to eat and drink this way. I used to eat this way and drink this way all the time, other than just the rare times, and so. Ideally I wouldn't be doing that at all. I'd be super disciplined about my diet and everything, but I'm just kind of choosing to look at things in the longer term and decide that, it's okay to give myself this week to just be relaxed and be lazy and hang out and have a good time with my best friend, as long as I go back into doing what I'm supposed to be doing in the following days. And so that's what I'm doing. Secondly, as far as channel content goes, I've kind of dried up a little bit on the review footage that I was getting. I just haven't had a lot of videos coming in and being sent to me, and practice isn't until Saturday in a couple days, so haven't had a chance to shoot anything new. Last week didn't really have a chance to shoot anything. I'm going to try to get some more footage this week, at least record another first to 5 or 2 myself. Maybe a first to 10, just kind of stretch it out. I have a buddy at another local practice that's supposed to be recording 2 first to 5s or first to 10s as well. Hopefully they do more. And I might just start doing 1 a day rather than the 2 to 3 video block uploads I've been doing. I'd rather do a video a day than do 3 videos, 3 days off, 2 videos, 3 days off, and that way. I'd rather keep it as a regular upload schedule. And I'm going to try to supplement that by doing whatever little demo instructional videos I can do on my own around the house. I was going to do a basic shield guard video for amp guard, DAG, bell yesterday, but my lovely neighborhood kids, while they're very nice and they're very fun, I mean, they're kids, they're having a good time, kept wanting to yell at me over the fence and talk to me last night while I was trying to record for this, so didn't get a chance to do it. Hopefully I'll be able to do it on lunch today, if not lunch then after work, but that's kind of my plan moving forward. I'm back on the meal prep. My knee is still in pain, but it's doing better. Well, a couple of nights, one of the nights where I got drunk, we all got a little bit rowdy, and You know, we weren't doing anything crazy, but we were just like play grappling, that kind of thing, doing gentle displays, gentle feats of strength, and that really like caused some knee pain. Um, but other than that, the knee's been getting better, on the upswing. Been trying to find ways to gently exercise it. To I'm working from home, to stay on my feet as much as I can at my desk, just move around, find ways to do squats, lunges, that kind of stuff. It's been hellaciously hot in Oklahoma. I've been wanting to go on walks every day. That was kind of my initial plan when I got this job. And then our average temperature, our average high is like 103, 104 over the past couple of weeks. And so it's just been deadly outside. So maybe when these next paychecks start rolling in, maybe when my full paychecks start rolling in, I'll go pick up some weights and have that option. Sounds like a good plan. But that's it. Thank you.